In this video, we are going to cover how to add a product to your product list. Go to Configuration, Account Settings, and find Products and Pricing in the navigation menu on the left. The product list default pricing is your master list of all the products you sell. You may have additional items in this list from the onboarding samples we loaded into your account, but having more items than you use is not a problem. You can have as many products as you want in this list. To access your product list, click on the Edit icon button here. When your product list opens, click on the Add Item button here on the right. Enter the name of the product as you will be searching for it in SumoQuote, or perhaps how your distributor labels it. This name will not show up for your customers to see, so it can be whatever you want it to be. If you use material orders, it may be most beneficial to you and your suppliers to use the supplier product names or numbers so that your material orders reflect what you are ordering. Next, enter the description of the product. The description will be visible to your customers, so including layman terms can be helpful for them to know what they are getting. Select a unit of measurement for this item from the drop-down menu. Under Price Adjustments, you will enter the costs. Your product list default pricing can be based on the distributor or supplier prices, or a general base rate that you charge for an item. When you create additional price lists, you will have the opportunity to adjust the prices separate of your product list. Finally, if this item is tax exempt, you can check this box. For example, if this were a labor-only cost, you may want to mark this as tax exempt. When added to a quote, this item will be excluded from any taxes applied to your quote, and when added to a price list, it will remain tax exempt also. Click Save when you are done. This item can now be searched in your product list and on your quote details page of a report.